Tracking some showers and thunderstorms overnight. A little bit of a surprise with the number of storms and how long they lasted overnight, especially across southeastern Illinois. Still tracking a few of the remnants of that out across parts of western Kentucky, though this has started to weaken very, very rapidly. And still tracking also some more showers and storms just to the north and east of our area through mainly the tri-state area of Evansville, but even upstream up I-57. If you're doing any traveling this morning out of Mount Vernon, as you get a little closer to Salem, you may see some of the lightning in the distance, and then closer to Effingham, quite a round of storms overnight, and we're still dealing with some storms up in those areas this morning. That tracking to the south in the east. Right now we are expecting most of these storms to fade away pretty quickly after sunrise, but it is something to keep an eye on. Stalled boundary sitting about right in here, and that has been where most of the storms have been. What we saw in our region was an outflow boundary, that rain-cooled air getting pushed to the west, and one of the reasons this morning it's not quite as muggy as what it has been, especially across parts of southern Illinois and western Kentucky. Now this afternoon, well, we do expect the atmosphere to generally recover, and that means we are likely to see another hot and humid day. A couple chances for some pop-up showers and storms. Tomorrow, another hot day. Heat index values over 100, but then by Wednesday night and into Thursday, another good chance for widespread showers and thunderstorms, and potentially some pockets of heavy rain once again back in that forecast. This morning, once again, we do have the heat advisory in effect today out across parts of southwest Illinois, parts of southeast Missouri, areas we do anticipate the highest heat index values coming up later on this afternoon. Talking about that outflow boundary, bringing us a slight break from some of the extreme mugginess we've dealt with. Here at the station, we're at 70 degrees, Mount Vernon at 72. Now Poplar Bluff, Perryville, Missouri, they did not see the outflow boundary move through, and temperatures there are into the mid to upper 70s as a result of that. Of course, there's the showers and storms at 7 a.m. So there is a chance we're still dealing with some of these, especially through the Wabash Valley through the early next couple of hours, but notice they fade away pretty quickly. By lunchtime, they're out of here. It will keep temperatures a little cooler in some of our eastern counties. Meanwhile, to the west, upper 80s to about 90 or so at lunchtime. We'll top off lower 90s this afternoon, and especially along and west of I-57 and I-24. Heat index values near 105 today. Of course, pop-up shower, pop-up storm is possible during the heat of the day. Most areas, though, will likely stay dry. Looking ahead to Wednesday afternoon, similar story here. Temperatures in the low 90s, heat index values 105, and some locations even higher. Now, this is Wednesday night, and here's what we're talking about, the next round of showers and storms, and this is likely to be pretty widespread here in our region. Main concern is going to be pockets of very, very heavy rainfall and potentially some gusty winds with a few of those storms as well. So make sure you've got that Storm Track 3 app, especially if you've got outdoor activities planned for the next few days. Wednesday looks to be, or Wednesday night into Thursday look to be the wettest time period here in our forecast. A couple isolated storms into Friday as well. Saturday, we'll start the weekend on the dry side of things. Temperatures in the upper 80s, bouncing back to about 90 on Sunday. A few more pop-up showers and storms towards the end of the weekend and into the first part of next week. Temperatures upper 80s and lower 90s.
Upper 80s, lower 90s. I'm enjoying the cool temperatures that I got in with.
Yeah, it's short-lived, but yes, yes.
Thank you, Nick.